How to write a review on Google Maps. Before we begin guys, if you find this video even a little helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also like the video. So let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Then search for and tap on the shop or place where you want to leave a review. Next, tap on the review button. Here you can give a rating, for example, I'm giving 4 stars. After that, you'll see options to rate the food, service and atmosphere. Then you need to write about your experience, describing how it was at that place. You can also tap on add photos to upload pictures. Below that, it may ask, did you dine in, take away, or get delivery? So select the right option. You may also see choices like, what did you get, breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner, or other, pick whichever applies. You can also mention how much you spent per person, and whether you recommend making a reservation. Filling in extra details is optional, but once you're done, simply tap on post. That's it. Your review will be published on Google Maps. If you face any problem while writing a review on Google Maps, feel free to ask me in the comments.